Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I'm here with another phrase of the week, which is actually two phrases, two different words, and I just wanted to make sure you know the difference between them. So this is aua, 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 and aua is kind of like aua, I don't know, aua, in the same way that we would say, oh, don't ask me, or oh, I don't know, it's kind of like aua. And then this one, where you can see the difference at the end, there's an E instead of an A. So this is aware. And because there's a macron over it, it's aware, not aware. Aware. So this part's extended. And that kind of means, oh dear. Oh, aware. Kind of like, oh, that's really sad. Or perhaps it might be something to do with something that's a big surprise. Aware, like, you know, something that's unexpected. Aware. In the same way that you might say, gosh. So this is owa, I don't know, and where, that's surprising, or something like that. So there's a couple of new phrases you can add to your kete this week. Ka kite.